As far as this project, I think we're pretty well prepped. It's going to be kind of a combination thing. You know, we're going to have multiple teams. One team doing clean out. The other team is going to start doing rock work, strapping boulders, leveling boulders, where there's some that we're going to have to remove and put in some flat stones that I've already picked up. We cannot use the house water, the house hoses, because there's a whole house water softener system. You know, the softener system injects salt to soften the water. And so that added salt accumulates in the pond and creates issues. It also doesn't allow the ion gen to work and all these other things. You'll get string algae, that sort of thing. So if there's a high salt content, it's very hard for us to get that out. And so we're going to be flushing the crap out of that just to get the salt out. And so the clean out is going to be, I mean, it's going to be a lot. We're going to be flushing constantly.
Beautiful.
Yeah, let's take off.
All right.
Hey guys, really excited about this project. We've got made some good traction as far as getting some of the rocks out. We got some really big boulders, as you guys already saw, out of this pond. We lifted those guys out, and we're actually putting in some flatter stones, something that's going to accommodate the kids so they can sit on the stones, dangle their feet in the water. It's going to be really awesome. Yeah, I just kind of wanted to recap on what we did today. We got a lot done, and so what we wound up doing is we got the basically a lot of the cleaning done. We've actually gotten our rock work semi-done. We've gotten some of the bigger stuff out. We're going to be modifying the rocks a little bit on the right. We're going to be basically doing a stone stack and back building that with some gravel, and then just tidying up a little bit with the clean out, getting some of that muck and debris out of the bottom of the pond. So looks great. You know, doing a swim pond is definitely a fun thing. We really want that interactive. We're going to be finishing up there here in the next day. So we'll see you tomorrow.